Okay, Sue, you can open your eyes.
Finally! Wow! This is very unusual.
Oh, it is. Do you like it?
Absolutely. It's also unique. I've never seen a manicure like this.
The best thing. It will match any outfit of yours. Cool, right? So give me your other hand, Susie. Hey!
Sorry, Sammy. They're really very creative, but I won't be able to study or wash the dishes or even craft with these. I'll always be worried about ruining this pretty manicure.
No one appreciates my art. I wish it were possible to change nail designs in a jiffy.
You know what? Give me a second to take off this nail art and I'll show you one amazing craft. Luckily, it comes off pretty easily. Oh, hi, guys. Now that I've removed this fancy nail design, we can get started.
Hey, friends! Didn't you like my nail design for Sue either? I must be losing my grip!
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll need your skills later. Oh, and what's with the scarf?
I just ate ice cream too fast, and my throat is sore.
Oh, no. Here, have some hot tea, and I'll get to work. Today, we're gonna build a nail design machine. And Sammy has just given me a perfect idea of what it should look like.
Huh? What are you talking about, Sue? I didn't give you anything.
But you said you were eating ice cream, right? So, that's what it's gonna be.
Awesome, guys! Give this video a thumbs up if you like this idea, too!
I'm glad you like it. I see you're feeling better already.
A new craft always makes me feel better. Wait a sec. I think you're gonna need these.
Good call. These will help make the sides of our ice cream cones stronger.
Am I a genius crafter or what?
Now, this is what we've got.
This thingy looks like a coffee cup. Would you like an espresso, ma'am?
You're right. So, let's fix that.
I thought it's already finished.
Patience, Sammy. Just a few extra touches and it won't look like a coffee cup. Besides, these will hold the parts of the nail design mechanism. We'll start making it soon, so stay tuned.
Do we need to build a mechanism?
Yeah, but first, I want to create the nail designs. You know, I really got inspired by the characters from the Inside Out animated movie.
Are you really going to do it all by hand?
Do you have any objections? Oh, the great design master?
Not at all, but I'll do it faster than you.
Huh, we'll see about that, mister.
That's right, we'll see.
Before we get to coloring, we gotta make sure the fake nails will stick well. And double-sided tape will help with that. Be very careful working with scissors, friends.
Told you I'll finish faster than you.
Very impressive. Then I'll do this. Now, that's what we've got so far. But we need to finish the rest of the designs.
Master Samuel is ready to help. Yay!
And that's it. Sammy, could you do the honors and show our viewers what we've got?
Sure. Please shut your eyes, guys. And no peeking.
I'll make sure of that. Wow! Guys, would you just look at them? I like these two most.
Oh, that was fun. Now, will you explain why we need this? Huh?
Sure. Now this is the base. Next, we need a strip of paper. Something bright.
Come on, Sue. It's taking ages. Huh? You're done?
Yep. I've just added a bit of the video editing magic. Now, we wrap it around the base like this and fix it here in the back. See? It can easily slide around.
Oh, I see. That's how we're going to choose the design. Isn't it cool? Then subscribe and don't go anywhere.
Look what I've got here. A foam paper strip. This window will help us make a pick.
Thanks, Tibidubba, for the double-sided tape.
That's true. There wouldn't be our craft without it.
But Sue, a real ice cream cone has a waffle and an ice cream scoop, and we have neither.
You're right. So, I'll use this brown marker to create the waffle effect. Check it out. Done! Now, we need to make one more important mechanism.
We need 2 bottle lids, a wooden stick, and an awl. An awl? Okay.
While Sammy is away, let's cut out a small window over here. And that's what we've got. Oh? What?
Hey, where did you go? Sue, those lids escaped from me. And also, they are broken.
What do you mean?
They're holy.
Oh, don't worry. That's just how we need them to be. Now, we can insert a wooden skewer, piercing them through. Like this. Perfect. We need to secure it too, but don't use too much glue.
Aha! I think I get it now. What a great idea with this mechanism, Sue.
But it's not finished yet. That's better. Do you know why we need it, guys?
Sue, look, I've made a handle. Now it will be easier to rotate our mechanism.
Thanks.
Ouch! You're welcome.
Now, all we've left to do is put our mechanism inside our ice cream cone. Also, I'll add this piece to the other end of the skewer, like this. And now, it's time for some magic again. Ta-da! What do you think, Sammy?
Cool! Let me show the guys how it works. Ugh. Alrighty, just a second. So, there's this mechanism inside, and if we turn the handle, it starts rotating. Wow! That's it. My job here is done.
We're close to finishing our craft, guys. All we need to do is remove this cover and put each nail in its place in the mechanism, like this. We'll do it with the rest of the designs. The next is…
Wait, Sue, I want to do it.
Okay, why not?
Cool. Okay, here it goes. All done, Sue. Take a look.
Wow, great job, Sammy. Everything works perfectly. Now, I can choose the nail design over here. Oh, I like this one. Then, I place my finger right here in the window, and voila! A new design is already on my nail.
Sue, we don't have the ice cream scoop.
Oh, you're right. But don't worry. We'll deal with it in no time. What can be better than a rainbow ice cream?
Quick, put it here.
All right, all right. Here it goes. Let me just make sure it won't fall off.
We simply have to decorate it.
Oh, I like this idea. And voila.
Oh, it looks so good. I want to eat it.
Oh, it's the best nail design in my life. Just look how bright and awesome my nails are.
Sue, I'm done with the floor. Could you wash the dishes, please?
Ah, sorry, Sammy. I can't. I don't want to ruin my nails, you know.
Seriously?
Ugh. Friends, do you like our craft? Then, like this video and don't forget to subscribe.
No!
Ah, I'd better go.